obviously get very enamored by it. To me, it seemed that we keep hearing things, we keep reading things about how to bring up our children, what we need to do with them, and there are various formalities that are available to parents today. But if something can be all combined under one roof, at the press of a button, how wonderful it would be. And that's what really attracted me to it. And the fact that, this is a very cliched statement that the youth is the future of the nation and so on and so forth, but it really is. And I think that if we begin at a very young age to inculcate in them certain basic principles of life, how to look after yourself, how to look after your room, how to look after your parents, cleanliness, just basic civic facilities, and at the same time be gaining knowledge. I think the generation that will come next will be, hopefully, better educated and be able to understand the ethos of a nation. That's what attracted me to it.
Good evening, Mr. Bachchan, over here.
Yeah.
While working on Worldoo, were you reminded of your own childhood? And what were some of the games that
oh yes, absolutely.
You played growing up?
My childhood was, almost 70 years ago. That's a hell of a long time. And there was no computers, there was nothing of this kind at all. Our biggest attraction at that time was marbles. You play marbles in school. You play gulli danda. And then when you mature, you get your own bicycle. Those are some of the things that were, the most exciting for us, to go out and play with friends. But whatever knowledge that was given to us was either from school or from stories that we heard from our parents or from our elders. And that's the kind of knowledge we picked up. We never had this. So this is a huge revelation. And in a sense, a revolution, I would say.
Good evening, Mr. Bachchan, here.
Yeah.
My question to you is, how involved are you going to be going forward with the website?
I'm, at the moment, as a mentor, I just love the idea of something like this. And when Monish came to me, I readily agreed, to be a part of it. We'll work out the modalities of how I'm going to be participating in this in the years to come. But for the moment, let's just say that I really enjoyed mentoring, in a sense, what Monish has been bringing forward. It's something that I'm sure any of you who have children, who are parents, would love to get involved in. And one of the most beautiful things that I liked about this was the fact that this was an interactive, a coordinated effort. It's not just something that I wish to put out. It's taking in inputs from mothers, from parents, from teachers, going to schools, asking them questions, and then putting it all together into one package. And that really was very attractive to me. So I'm sure as we go along, we do hope that if you do have any suggestions, if you feel that there are things that can be incorporated in this, we would very warmly welcome it.
Monish, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of safeguards do you have for, I'm presuming this is something that you log into and subscribe to,
Yes.
like we would for a Facebook or a Twitter and have profiles.
No, so sorry? You would log in through Facebook or Twitter?
No, not log in through, but the way we do for Facebook and Twitter. What safeguards do you have for, so you make sure that there are only kids logging into this and not adults posing as kids?
Correct. So, good question. So, the first is, you need a parent's email ID.
We have one subscriber.
We've got, I think so. I was just, I actually looked at it and said, maybe we have one. So, the first thing is you cannot activate the account without confirmation from a parent, first. Second is, like we said, we have devised an entire backend in terms of technology, where we do understand what is being spoken of and how the behavior of each user is, right? So that's what is going to help us do that. The sensitive place is actually the chat, right? The sensitive place is not something else. The sensitive place is actually the chat. So let's say, for example, if both of us are users, right? And suppose if you ask me, so where do you stay? Your message will never come, or I write something which says 98210, message will never come. Right? What's your mama's name? Message will never come. Right? So that's the safety.
These are just sensitive things that sometimes we want to prevent. You would also do that. I mean, you would not want to give your mobile number out. You would not want to give details about your family. Well, with all due respects, we are living in a world which is getting more and more critical and more sensitive to these issues. And how wonderful if we can inculcate that in a child at that age group, so that by the time they grow up, they're already aware of what's going on.
Sir, Amit.
Yeah.
अच्छा, सर आज की तारीख में इस किस्म के साइट्स मतलब सोशल साइट्स के एक्सपोजर से हम किसी को बचा नहीं सकते हैं, और तो मतलब इस किस्म के साइट से बचपन कितना जल्दी ख़त्म होने की गुंजाइश रहेगी, वो अपना चाइल्डहुड मतलब जो है वो हो सकते हैं, उसके आसार रह सकते हैं?
पहले तो ये बताना पड़ेगा कि आप बचपन को क्या समझते हैं और खोने लायक क्या है। बचपन में क्या खोया जाता है?
10 साल पहले जैसे लोग 6 साल की उम्र में या 7 साल की उम्र में स्कूल जाना शुरू करते थे,
स्कूल जाते थे।
हाँ, स्कूल जाना शुरू करते थे, वहाँ से बचपन शुरू होता था उनका, कहा जाता था। अब वो एज मतलब कम होकर 3 साल हो गया है, 2 साल हो गया है, और मतलब वो इन चीज़ों के एक्सपोजर के चलते बहुत जल्दी बड़े होने लगते हैं, बड़े की तरह बिहेव करने लगते हैं।
जी, ये तो हर पीढ़ी जो है वो इतनी जागृत हो रही है कि इसको रोकना बड़ा मुश्किल होगा। मैंने आपको अभी उदाहरण दिया कि मेरी अपनी जो पोती है वो 1.5 साल की उम्र से अपना आईपैड चला रही है। इसको हम नहीं रोक सकेंगे, ये अपने आप उनके अंदर कुछ है, जेनेटिकली कुछ है, पता नहीं क्या है, या हो सकता है जो कुछ वो देख रहे हैं आसपास उसकी वजह से वो प्रभावित हो रहे हैं। स्कूल तो सभी जाएंगे, ये है स्कूल के अलावा भी यदि आप घर पे बैठे हों और अगर आपको कुछ जिज्ञासा या कोई आपको जानकारी चाहिए, 10-15 मिनट 20 मिनट अगर आपने बिता दिए तो उसमें अगर आपको थोड़ी बहुत जानकारी मिल रही है तो उसमें क्या खराबी है। दूसरी बात जो कि पहले मोनिश ने अभी बताई कि बहुत से जो लोग बच्चे हैं वो गलत साइट्स पे जाते हैं और उसका जो परिणाम होता है वो हम सब जानते हैं। एक तरह से ये एक ऐसी जगह बन जाती है जहाँ पर
Very nice. Very good movie. Very nice movie.
Jurassic World.
No, I didn't see Jurassic World. I saw Dil Dhadakne Do. Okay. Dil Dhadakne Do, and it's very